of course, but you are not feeling that it's gonna rub it on yours clothes, your hands, or scratching your face, wherever you touch, you know. So second nails, you are going to apply toe and tie the nails. If you know exactly where you're at, it's like if you are doing just on the top of your cuticles, then just apply on the cuticle. But I always doing it really a good coat. It's not going to add crazy thick layer. If you do that, it means that you apply a little bit too much, so you can just doing less for the next time. But then also you don't want to do too little, because it's too thin, it will not gonna adhere your crystal properly, because your condensed glue gel and no wet top coat will grab and suck your base of your crystal in one place, and it's not just only purpose of a finish and it completes, so you won't have attacking layers on your nail, but also is a double secure on the nails, so then it can hold your crystal placement. I think I need the new bottles.
What?
It's over there. I think I left it there. On the tray. On the wood tray. Yeah. How do you know where to place the crystal? It really depends on you, Sassy. A lot of clients, you are going to, like, you can drop it some of the cue out like that first, and then, or if you'll practice some of the nails at the for you first, so you get an idea, because it really depends. Okay, some clients want it on the cuticles, some clients want to center the nail, some clients just want diagonals and angles. So it really depends on your clients. So how do you start with your crystal placement? You don't know how. I'm not sure that how we start. Always start with the centerpiece first. Like, say if you are focused on just the cuticle, the other ones I do is more in the centers. So if you want to do a cuticles, you're gonna get started closer to the cuticles, and then you work all the way down. But if you decide to do this, look, I have some gels on it.
No, some wax. Fine. Clean it out too.
Okay. So if you get closer to the cuticles, you can do it closer to the cuticle, for instance, right? With the other one, we did it right in the middle. And for this one, we can get closer to the cuticles. You're gonna move, you start it from a closer to the cuticle first, and then you are going to work towards, like, to the free edges, I mean to the end of the nails. Where am I at? Sorry, I keep moving, so that I didn't realize that I moved off the camera.
So Elijah, I should have to push it down quickly. If you push it down too hard, it will fall up. So very quick for you. When you have our condensed glue gel on with a little bit of no white top coat, when you put it on, it stay. And as long as you don't press it hard, it will stay there for you.
Yeah, so if you feel like a little bit running off from that, it means that you might apply a little bit more condensed glue gel or no wipe top coat. When you're doing it next time, you can just get less, because it's might too much of top coat that is like off fast for you. So if you're doing it with the right ratio, you give it like a couple times. When you're doing it, you're gonna get a hang of it. It's really easy though. I promise it's not going anywhere. It's gonna stay on. Like I'm doing it right now, it's staying on for me. It's not running. If it's running, it means that it's had too much or too much top coat. So you can reduce it for the next time. I want to do, sorry, I got whole tray in here, but I take it down because I want to try to do having some cool funs here really quick. I'm gonna cut this one, like surround it. Let's see how this one's gonna be. Using size SS3, fun. And if you're doing like condensed glue gels and the no wipe top coat from our no wipe top coat, they're compatible together, so it's not like slid off. We tried others. Top coat on is work too, but it's like make yours condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat. It's just some it's just like really the consistency is different, so it might slid off your crystals. So 2, 4, 5, 2, okay, 5. Maybe 6. Is a lot going on underneath. You can do red colors, you can do AB. We have a lot of requests for that. Haven't seen you doing dramatic crystals. So this is the kit number 2. Good luck for the winners. We will get all of the numbers, and then we're gonna do a raffle with the picking the name and the numbers, and it's gonna be automatically. Good luck, everyone. I'm so excited. Besides, you got gifts from a special sales. I hope you're really enjoying it because I really like it as well. If you order 10 times during a sale, you get 10 special gifts. Hope you're enjoying it from bottom of our heart. Special thanks, and stay tuned for a lot of other giveaway too. All right, I'm using this super cute silver this time. You know what, it looks cute though, it doesn't matter, it just look cute. But then also the chrome flake is really do a cool things with this. I don't know how in the camera, let me take a look in the camera. It looks in person, it's really stunning. I'm not sure if the camera can do the justice of it, but it looks like it looks on my hands. So gorgeous. What it looks like on the camera though. It looks like whatever. It doesn't look like anything at all. Oh, I'm so sorry. But I can enjoy it for you because it looks so beautiful on my hand. Like it's separate of yours chrome flakes. You know what? If you're doing for your clients gonna see that. They're gonna experience it, and when they get out of the sun, they can see the reflections of their chrome flakes underneath and also their crystal placement. It doesn't look cool on the camera. It looks so not, like I say, whatever. How do I get this one?